I went outside talking about the hacking and monitoring that's happening to me, and here comes that drone. I hope you hear it. It's going right over, but you can't see it. I can't see it, but I hear it everywhere. I'm gonna try to go toward the road. See if I can get a better view of it. That doesn't even sound like a drone. It sounds like something just rumbling and running at the top of the hill. Listen to that. It's non-stop. The closer I get, it's going away. The sound is going away. It was a wave. It was waves of rumbling. I hope you heard it. I hope you heard it. And now the sound waves are coming back now that I'm leaving. Hey, kitty. Come on. Simba's talking to me. Yeah, I hope you heard it. Anyway, peace.